This 2026 Forest River Sabre 36 EST is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Milford North, Delaware, 19963 and is offered for sale by Delmarva RV Center, Milford North. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Forest River is 41 feet 3 inches in length and features sleeps 2. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features bath and a half, mid-living area, rear bath. The unloaded weight of this 2026 Forest River Sabre 36 EST is 12,414 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.